Before we dive into coding, let's get set up. Most of the time, you need to install Expo command line globally on your local machine by running a command like npx create Expo app at the latest in your terminal window to create your first app. However, there is another easier way to set up the development environment online instead of locally. Open the Expo documentation website and scroll down the left navigation menu to find the Expo Snack link. Expo Snack is an open source platform for running React Native apps directly in the browser. It doesn't require you install any Android or iOS SDKs or other dependencies, saving you a lot of time. All you need to do is click a few buttons to see how the app performs on Android, iOS, and web. You can also download the Expo Go app from the App Store or Google Play Store to view the app on a real mobile device. Search for Expo Go in the App Store on Android or iOS. After installing it, sign up for free. Open the app, find the Scan QR code button, and scan the QR code on your computer screen. This will launch the app on your mobile device. How convenient is that? No more strange head-scratching runtime errors. In the next chapter, we will explore the project structure in Expo's Snack.